I was driving into Nashville on I-65 tonight, southbound, and there's this red pickup truck with a really bad driver. I'm about to pass that truck right here. I didn't really look at it at this point because I was checking out that blue Challenger. So I pass it, don't think anything of it, and just keep going my merry way, work my way up to 70 miles an hour. Traffic had just been slowed down for a little bit, and eventually this truck comes and passes me again. When it does, it's so close, I could have put my window down, reached out and touched it. We'll skip up to that point.
And you'll have 8 different versions of that one. You'll have one that, if you have $250, you put into it. Another one.
So right here, the guy starts going by me, and it's actually pretty close. See here, he swerves there. I could have reached out and touched the truck.
And you're avoiding it like a bike.
At this point, I just figure the guy's an idiot. In just a little bit, I have 100% proof.
I think it's such a waste of planning, just petrifying. But, you know, that's legal to.
There's a split in the road coming up, and you can either take Dickerson Road to the right, or Ellington Parkway, or continue on to 65 and then take Briley. This guy apparently wanted Ellington. Look what he did right at the last second. He narrowly missed hitting that retainer wall.
Now you have to incur trading costs, and you have to get rid of stocks when you really just don't feel like getting out of stocks. So that's the problem you run into, and then after the market goes up, everybody's wanting to buy, and you're...
Whoa! Holy crap!
It's really high. We don't want to buy right now. You know,
what is going on with you guys? Jeez!
It's just simple that you have trading costs.
What in the hell is going on with this truck?
Sell on a Tuesday afternoon, and I'm getting out.
By me over here on the left, they were really close to me. I could have put my window down, reached over and touched the truck. And I go over 2 lanes so I could get on this road, and at the very last second they decided to take it. It even looks like their frame is bent because that thing looks like it's riding all cockeyed. Straddling the lane there. Are they going to come over and cut off this Charger? Driver's front tire is a big old fat tire. Look at this, they're totally off the lane. They're not even in a lane anymore. And they're going to stay on Ellington. These guys are nuts. Well, I say these guys because there's a passenger in there. The driver's freaking nuts. Traffic here. I'm going to get over so they have somewhere to go. He's already in front of them. I don't even want to get next to this guy. Now I'm in this lane. I do not Bye-bye. Good riddance.